Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to fetch the post from Firebase. So let's start coding, and the first thing we need to understand or first let's go to our post service, and first let's change it to class, not to post service. Let's make it admin actor so everything is on the main queue. And then let's make static func fetch feed post. It will be async throws, and it will return an array of post. Okay, perfect. But before we do this, there is something we need to take into consideration. If we go to our post model, something very important is, as you can see, we have a variable called user that is optional. The reason why we have this is because, as you can see, our post, when we create a post, we give it a user ID. Okay, but then we need something to get from the user ID our user. So the first thing we will do is create this function that will get or that will take our user ID and give us the user we need. To do so, we will go to our user service. In the bottom of our file, we will create admin actor. We will create a function called fetch user. It will take with UID of type string. It will be async throws, and it will return a user. Okay, perfect. Now we will create let snapshot equal try await firestore collection users dot document our UID, and we finish it with dot get document, and then we will return try snapshot dot data as user dot self. Okay, that's all we need, hopefully, to fetch our user. So we will use this function. So now if I go to my fetch feed post and I start working on it, so it will be let snapshot equal try await firestore dot collection posts dot I think order by check, yes, order by, and this function gives, it's like sorting our collection view. We will work with timestamp, which is the field that is equal to the date, and descending we will choose true. This code means you will return me starting from the newest. Okay, and then we will write dot get documents, of course. After that we will have var posts equal try snapshot dot documents dot compact map. Okay, dollar, where is $0 dot data as post dot self. Okay, which is really great. Then we will have for e in 0 to posts dot count. We will have let owner UID equal posts de i or of e.ui user id, and then we will use the function that we just created, which is so we will create let post user equal, as I said, the function that we just created, which will be try await user service dot fetch user. I think yes, that's the one. And I think I made a mistake, I'm not sure. Let me check. I think I made a mistake. Okay, it should be, I should pass the UID, so okay, strange UID, so I should pass the owner UID to expected argument of type. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, I understand what's wrong. It should be static func. So now with fetch user. Now, okay, perfect. I will give it owner UID, and from there I got posts of e. I got the user, so dot user equal post user, and in the end we return, of course, posts. Okay, something. Okay, I think let's make it optional for now. I think I know why. I forgot to write try. Okay, perfect. Now we got our fetch feed post, so we need to call it inside our feed view model. So inside our feed view model, we go here and we add a task, and here it will be try await fetch user service dot fetch not user service, I really apologize, post service dot fetch feed post, and I think I got post, let me check, I think I got yes, I got a variable called var post. It won't have this value anymore, it will be by default an empty array, and here it will be posts equal try await post service dot fetch feed post, which returns an array of posts, so it should be perfect here. Okay, once I got this, I need to go, I think, to my feed view. Okay, and here I think I got a little problem. It should be id of slash dot self. It's a stupid mistake. I don't know why I keep forgetting to add the id, and later usually it creates a lot of headache when you forget it, so don't forget it. Okay, in component we go to our post view, and here, okay, perfect, we will import Kingfisher. Okay, perfect. It will be kf image URL string, and we will pass this value, which will be view model.post. Okay, perfect. Hopefully then it will be inside the z stack. So I will take this and below it I will add an image which will be no profile, and I will give it the same modifiers. Okay, perfect. Okay, the other thing should be correct, I think. Let me check. Yes, I think it's correct. Post index. Okay, this one, it needs to be kf image, and it will be a URL with string, and we will pass view model dot post URL. Okay, that I feel that's all I need to do. So let's build the project. Okay, I got the error. So okay, internal console receiver multiple tasks. Well, I see that I saw, and apparently you need to do a clean. So I will clean the Xcode. Hopefully you don't face the same problem I just faced, because it's really strange. Okay, apparently the solution now I saw on Stack Overflow is to either clean the project or what's the other one? It's apparently to change the scheme in the simulator, but I will just clean the project. Hopefully it will work. Okay, perfect. The build succeeded. Okay, so let's wait for it. As you know, on Firebase I got only one post, so okay, so let's wait for it. If some of you are wondering, okay, this is where I found the solution, and here is my post. So I got only one post, the one I created in the last video. So okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, and I think the post didn't appear, so I think really I don't know what to say, to be honest. To face an error, then you need to see where everything went wrong. So okay, and the problem was in this one. I have a function called setup post, where I'm doing for I don't really know what I'm doing here. I was using it, I think, for the profile or whatever, but we won't need it anymore, so we won't call it. We can delete this setup post function. We don't need it. That's the one causing the problem. So now if I rerun the code, it will be working perfectly. So okay, let's wait for it. And as you can see, I got my post perfect. If I go, let's say, and decide to create another post, so hello everyone, and I choose another image, which will be this one, and I click on post. Okay, because I didn't add the refresh feature yet, so I will need to close it and rerun it, but that's not a problem for now. We will add it later. Okay, and as you can see, my post was created and it's in top of my feed, so perfect. I think that's all we need to do in this video.